Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a juice screw jig. I'm working back on my tailgate from my ute because I don't have a workbench. But some of the things you're going to need is straight edge to cut, circ saw to cut, some measuring devices, an impact driver, and some screws to screw it together. I believe that's everything. Now, a juice groove jig is very important to have when making chopping boards to make your juice grooves to capture the juices out of your steak, your fruit, whatnot. So in this video we're going to be making one, and then we can use it in the next couple of videos I'm going to do. So stay tuned. Alright, so the only bit of wood I need to cut is a 30mm gap that I'm going to put between the chopping board. So that's why it's super important to have a straight edge, because you want this cut to be as straight as possible. We want to make it 30mm off the edge, so right there. Lock that in. Draw a line. Line up our saw and we'll measure that now. So we're at We're at 68 mil. So alright, I'm happy with that. And along this straight edge you can make it cut nice and straight. It's important to have this strip exactly 30mm because you want it as straight as possible. It doesn't have to be 30mm, just you want it to be straight. I've also already got some side panels cut up, just from some off bits that I've already cut previously, so we'll use them. And then we've got this massive board, 9x7, 16mm thick, that we're going to be using as a base to put it all together. Because you want to attach them so it's kind of like that, and then we can move these around and put them where we need. So let me attach all these and I'll get back to you. So I just prep my 2 screws in, put it on the base, sit that spacer there. Get that in. And then just make sure there's a 30mm gap there. Yep. And you got that bit. And you just keep doing that for all 4 sides. So now you got all your sides made up. You want to put your chopping board, so I'm going to be doing this one. Whatever your chopping board size is, you want to put it in. And then you kind of want to stagger them so they overlap, so none of the sides are in the way of each other. I mean, for this board it's perfect, but then once you've got that in, you just want to screw that down. And then it should look something like this. You got your sides, and that chopping board sits in there. nice and snug. And then yeah, you got, I don't know if you can see that, but you got 30mm on each side. And if you stagger them, I haven't done it here because the board's too big, but if you stagger them so this comes across here and you move this one up and do that all the way around, you can close it in and make it adjustable, which I'll be using in a couple of the chopping boards I'm going to be making in the future. Alright, I've got my test bit of wood, so let's just run along this edge and see how this groove comes out. I had a little hiccup there, but with more practice you get it. The channel is nice straight here. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a like, a follow. I'm going to be making a series of chopping boards coming up. This is one I haven't done. I'm not going to do a video on this one, but this is what kind of got me to start doing them. This is a Father's Day gift from my dad, so I'll be making a juice groove into this now, and then we'll start the chopping board videos. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If this helped you, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.